Small enough to fit on your kitchen counter but large enough to help you prepare for any meal or party, the Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven with Convection and Rotisserie boasts full-size oven performance and compact energy-efficient form design. Both kitchen style and practicality in mind, the Countertop Oven with Convection and Rotisserie is portable and countertop convenient. It's packed with versatile cooking options that range from baking cakes to crisping cookies to broiling salmon, roasting an entire 5 pounds chicken roast or pork. There's no need to spend extra time cooking separate meals for the pickier ones. Either the wide interior and adjustable cooking racks provide double the space for cooking multiple foods at once. What's more, this oven is ideal for anyone, anywhere, and anytime. It can replace the microwave in your office, offer easy cooking access for the elderly, serve as a staple for apartment dwellers, or provide snack enthusiasts with a little added treat. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Extra large capacity. Fit 2 12-inch pizzas, 2 9-inch by 13-inch casseroles, or 2 cake pans. Number 2. Revolving rotisserie. Self-basting rotisserie locks in your food's flavor and juices, while turning the outside brown and crispy. Fits a 5 pounds chicken. Number 3. Convection. Bakes faster and more evenly than a traditional oven. Number 4. Bake and broil settings with 2-hour auto shutoff. Includes removable drip tray, rotisserie skewer and lifter, 2 racks, 2 baking pans, and broiler rack. Number 5. Easy to use contoured knobs. Not only is this new design easier to maneuver, but they're safer too, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.